Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another live learn session. It's your boy Sabelo, the #1 Photoshop tutor on the platform. And I'm back with another Photoshop tutorial. And on this one, we're gonna be remaking the album art of Bad Hair by the homeboy Nasty C. Now, I'm very excited about this one because it's a personal favorite. And did you know that the album cover actually consists of hundreds of pictures of people who are having a bad hair day? And I guess they just found some inspo on that and slapped it on the cover. So if you are having a bad hair day, do not hide it. You might just end up on an album cover. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump into Photoshop and start the tutorial. Okay guys, so you can go ahead and create a new project. Then head over to File, Open, and select your subject's image from its location. Well, first I'm gonna remove the designs on his shirt with the Spot Healing tool because I just want his shirt to be blank. And then after, I need to crop him out, so I'm gonna make a selection using the curvature tool. First, start by drawing a pad around your subject. Then after you're done drawing, head over to the top where it says selection, click on it and then click OK. Then you click and drag your subject over to your main project. Click Ctrl+C to open the transform tool and then drag out the corners to enlarge your subject. Right click on your subject's layer and click duplicate layer to make a copy of it. Now go to filter, click on pixelate and add the Mosaic Filter to your subject. I would recommend 32 as your cell size. I will explain why later. Now we're gonna make the collage effect. Start by inserting a collage with a lot of portraits on it. I found this one on Google. It's got a lot of pictures of Hollywood actors on it, but whatever you got will work. Make sure it's a square. And let's rewind a little. The reason I made the cell size 30px before was because I found that this effect works well if your collage almost matches with your pixelated subject's image. And so to match the 30px cell size, I made my collage 60 pictures down and 60 pictures across. But if you have fewer pictures for your collage, then increase your cell size to more than 30px to match your collage. Now we have to remove all the colors and shadows from it and make it basically flat. Go to Image, Adjustments, and then click on Black and White. Then click on Presets and choose the Infrared preset and click OK. Go to Image again, Adjustments, but now click on Brightness and Contrast. Adjust your levels using the knobs and click OK. Now for the last step, go to Image again, Adjustments, then click on Shadows and Highlights. adjust this accordingly using the knobs again. And that's cool for me. Click OK. Now press Ctrl and click on the disabled layer from earlier. That will make a selection. Now go to select and click inverse. Then press backspace on your keyboard to remove all the selected pixels. Repeat the same thing and press backspace on the subject's layer now. Go to the layer panel and drag your subject's layer to above your collage layer. Then change the blending mode to hard light. Now sharpen it by going to image, adjustments, hue and saturation, then decrease the saturation a little and slightly lighten it. Yeah, I think the detail is there now, and you can see that if I zoom out the picture, you can actually recognize the person who is the subject. You can further adjust your image to give it more detail till you get what you feel is okay. Play with the brightness and contrast a little. And if you can recognize the person on the collage, if you zoom out, then your work is done and you have completed this effect. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next one.